Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Stickman videos are simple, engaging and perfect for storytelling, education and viral content. With OpenArt you can create clean Stickman visuals and animate them into short scenes. In this guide I will show you step by step how to create a Stickman video using OpenArt in 2026. So first thing first, define your Stickman style. So keep it minimal, like choose black and white Stickman, colored Stickman, this is optional, or background like whiteboard, simple scene. Okay, so for example, we have here like simple example for the prompt. Okay, so you can, for example, this is just an example. Okay, so simple Stickman drawing, white background, clean lines. Okay, so create Stickman character like OpenArt image generator, as I did. Generate your character. We have another example, for example, to make it enhanced, simple Stickman, black man, black lines. Okay, minimal design, white background, clean drawing style. Okay, so pick the cleanest version. Okay, less details mean or less details is better. Okay, so plan your story like break into scenes. Okay, scene one introduction, scene 2 action, and scene 3 outcome. Okay, so Stickman videos rely on story. Okay, so generate animated clips too, so use OpenArt video generator. Okay, like you can use this example, Stickman walking, simple animation, minimal style, or Stickman pointing like this. So keep clips short from 2 to 4 seconds, one action per clip. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.